Does GoDaddy keep backups? Yes, GoDaddy keeps backups, but the availability and type of backups depend on the hosting plan or additional services you have. Here's a breakdown of GoDaddy's backup services. 1. Managed WordPress hosting. Automatic daily backups. GoDaddy automatically backs up WordPress sites every 24 hours. What's backed up? Files, databases, plugins, and themes. Retention period. Backups are kept for up to 30 days. Second, web hosting with cPanel, shared VPS dedicated. Manual backups. Required. cPanel hosting plans do not include automatic backups by default. How to enable backups. Use cPanel's backup wizard to create manual backups. Download and save backup files locally. Automatic backups. Add-on. GoDaddy offers a website backup service as an add-on starting at $2.99 per month. Backup frequency, automatic daily backups. Storage limit, up to 90 days of retention. Third, website security plans. Daily backups included. Website security deluxe or express plans include automatic daily backups. What's backed up? Full website files, databases, and server configurations. Retention period, backups are stored for up to 30 days.